So I have a new product I want to try out, which I'm really excited about. It's this little lipstick mini kit from H&M. You get a pink one, coral one, red one and burgundy one, and it is €5.99, so €6, so great price. And this is what I love. I love when it's not like a big product, not like you pay €12 for a lipstick or a matte lip or something, but you pay like €6 and you get a lot of little things to play with. And some people think it's weird because, let's be honest, these are flimsy. These are super flimsy. Like, don't get me wrong, I know, but it's just like, they're cute, and just throwing one of these in your bag and going, it's so much easier than dragging around with you something bigger. And they keep just, I opened the bag and now they're just dropping in my little lap, and that's kind of annoying. So I like little things that you can play with, and there's more than one. I really enjoy it. So I'm gonna scoot you closer and we're gonna try all of them one by one and see what they look like. And even though they're flimsy, I still think they could work, and I really enjoy playing with them and buying them. Oh, and this is the matte lipstick collection, 5 times 1.5 grams. There are different collections, but I got the matte ones first, and let's see what they have. They have beeswax in it, silica, and just like a lot of normal things. Also dimethicone, kaolin, just like a lot of different things in them. I'm not an expert, I'm not a chemist, okay? So anyway, let's zoom you in and start trying them out. So I'm currently wearing this Essence Matte long-lasting lip gloss mixed with another lip gloss, with an H&M lip gloss, because this dries pretty matte and I wanted a little bit of sparkle to go with the eyes, because the eyes are quite a lot at the moment. So this is what it is. And now let's just start going in. So I think I'm going to be moving from the lightest to the darkest, because it's always a bit hard to take the lipsticks off in between. So just to make my life a bit easier, I'm gonna go from light to dark. Okay, so first of all, this one comes off. So the lip gloss combo is off, and let's go in. So the first one I want to try out is the rose one. It looks like this, a tiny one like this, and it just looks like a really pretty color, like this pink one here. So let's just put it on. Oh, and another thing why I like the small things, it's just the edges are so sharp, it's so easy to put them on. And usually when you buy like a big lip product, the more you use it, the less sharp the edges get, but with the tiny ones, they always stay super sharp. So let's put it on. So it really is a rose color. It's a bit too light at the moment. I don't even know why it's so light. Yeah, kind of makes me dead a bit. I think this look just wants a little bit more sparkle, but it does look good. It's really creamy, it went on really nice, so I am enjoying it. But I just, with this kind of lip, I would like a less sparkly smoky eye, you know, just a little bit less. So taking it off and going on with the next one. The next one I'm going to try is this one. This is the pink one. Pink. More skin colored, even more skin colored than the rose one. So going to go in. So this one actually goes better with this eye makeup. It's really downstated. It's really nice, and I love the sharp little edge. It makes going on so easy. You have so much control over it, so it's really nice. But again, it's like super creamy. It's not gonna dry out. It's like a lipstick. It's not a matte lip gloss or lip gloss matte lip. So it is gonna dry. It's not gonna dry down, but it looks really nice. So I kind of like it. Kind of taking it all off again. Moving on to the third one, and now we're getting to the pinkish ones, well, reddish ones, darker ones. Oh, so this is coral. Apparently this is what coral looks like. I didn't know. So coral looks really pinkish, and that is really pink. So let's try it on. All the texture is the same across the board, and you get all of them for $5.99. That's great. Ooh, I actually like this with the eyes. I don't even know why, but I think it looks really pretty. It's really coral, it's really pink. I don't know, I would call this pink, and the one before it that's supposed to be pink, I would call this beige. So just me, but I kind of like the look that it has. It's really nice. You know what, I'm not gonna lie, when I look at it, when I look at the swatch, I'm a little bit like so pink, but when I put it on and see it like this, it's actually quite pretty, you know, so why not? And taking off and moving on to the really dark ones. So ready to move on to the red one. Is this red? Yes, it does say it's red. So really nice red. Let's see the swatch. Definitely red when compared to the others, so really pretty. And let's go put it on. Again, this looks really nice. So I don't know, I don't know why I got this feeling, but it felt like this was a little bit more hard when compared to the others. The others were like really creamy, really, I want to say fluffy, really creamy, but this one was a little bit harder, a little bit more like a crayon, but the color looks really pretty. I think all of these little ones, they would be super fun to mix and match a bit, you know, kind of go out with a little one and then the other one. And just to show you why I like the sharp edge and why I'm talking about it all the time, so if I take the edge, like this is just with the edge, and if I go just one way, it's like super sharp like this, and you can use this as a lip liner. So that's what I actually like doing. I like using the very tip of the lipstick also as a lip liner, because then it stays the exact same color and just gives you a canvas to work on. So this one goes off, this one comes off, and then the last one goes on. So okay, so my lips are definitely stained from all the other ones, but you know, this is the darkest one. It's called Burgundy, and yes, I can see that this is burgundy, so I don't think it's gonna matter much. I like the dark one. I like the dark color, so I'm gonna put it on and then we'll see. This one I should probably, well, okay, I still like this one. I don't know why, but the dark tones, they look so good on me and I really like them, so I like it. My lips are not very uniform at the moment because I've been taking off and putting on, you know, lipsticks for a bit now, but I do like them. So I think because my eyes are so super bright, I'm gonna put a little bit more of shine on this dark canvas here. So I'm gonna zoom you out, do that, and then I'll say my final words. So I added a little bit of sparkle to the very center of the lip with this Huda Beauty lip strobe. I thought I'd never find a way to use this because it's, well, it's a lip strobe, but apparently this works and I like the final look. I like the burgundy on its own as well. It looks really good, but with just the eyes, you know, I'm taking this off, just with the eyes and the crazy highlight, it needed a little bit in this very center of the lip as well. So final thoughts, I like them. I really like them. I like the tones. They are very creamy. I might be able to use all of this, you know, with the big ones. I'm never ever going to be using all of this, but maybe with the tiny ones. And it was €6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 5 for €6. So it's €120 per little ones, which is quite up there when you consider that for Essence you kind of pay 2 for this big bottle. But still, just to play with them, just to try them out, just to have some variety, why not? And the colors are really nice. They are super creamy, they look very nice and pigmented, so I really enjoyed that and I'm super happy with my purchase. Yay! So this was the matte one. but there are also like the metallic ones and normal ones and nude ones, and I think I am going to try those ones out as well because I'm just super curious about them. And I also always want to film more videos. No one really watches my videos, but I have a lot of fun doing them. So it's definitely a hobby for me, not a career possibility. This is never gonna pay me any money. I do not earn any money from this. I never will. But this is like, just like, I now dropped it. It's just like when I'm tired and I want to do something else, this is completely different for what I do for a living. So it's just a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching my little video. I hope to see you again soon watching something else. Look how cute all of them are. And thank you and bye bye.